Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to make this awesome looking grilled tuna melt sandwiches. It's time to grill! So, awesome, amazing to have you here again. Today I'm gonna show you a German interpretation of what I think is an American classic, tuna melt sandwiches. These aren't very popular and common in Germany. Most of the people don't have even heard of that. So let's get started with cutting small to medium sized onions to small dices. And of course I will put the exact amount of ingredients into the video description as always. You can check it out there if you want to give this a shot at home and you don't know what the exact mixture ratio of all the ingredients is. So after we cut the onion, this is a regular can of tuna. So you can buy this in Germany with different ingredients, with oil and his own juice. So we're gonna get rid a little bit of that juice. Doesn't matter if you have a little bit of that juice in your bowl as well. So we're gonna take out the whole tuna here, and we're gonna mix it with a fork, so we just can be sure that all the pieces are small enough and it gets well mixed with the cheese and the other ingredients. So once you're ready with doing that, we're gonna add the other things we need, which are of course the diced onions, mayonnaise, a great mixture of salt and pepper. I used Jack and Smoke. It adds some nice smoke flavor to that dish. Then half of a lemon juice. Make sure the seeds will not go in there. And after the lemon juice, we're gonna add some grated cheese. Like 2 handful is what we need here, I guess. And then we're gonna give this a good mix. Easy enough. We're gonna put that back in the fridge for approximately 1 hour or so, and in the meantime we can prepare the rest. Okay, to be honest, preparing the rest is not very much. So we're gonna need some bread here. I took about 8 slices of this bread, and we're gonna take some olive oil and we're gonna add this on one side. Of course you can use butter or something different as well. It only has to be fat, so that has 2 or 3 reasons why we do that. First of all, it tastes better. Second, it won't stick to your grill. Third, it gives a nice crust. So that's why we do this. And we have preheated the Broiking Imperial Grill for something between medium and high direct heat. We're gonna throw on one of these slices of bread and we're gonna add 1.5 tablespoon of that tuna cheese mixture. Then we're gonna add the second slice, and then we have a cool really good tool, which in Germany we call panini maker. It's like some heavy duty stuff you can put on one side, and then we're gonna give this a flip after 2.5 or 3 minutes. Make sure not to burn these, and it's the goal to get a nice crust, brown, and yeah, really the idea of having a great sandwiches made on your grill. So all in all, this one is pretty easy. So as I mentioned in the beginning, this is not very common and popular in the German grilling scene, so there are not a lot of these recipes for tuna melt. Of course, it's my mission to bring these to the people. Make sure if you grill that you won't burn it. This one was close. Again, give it a turn. Take the panini maker and grill your sandwich. Yeah, of course we will have a look at the results. I really enjoy these. The amount of ingredients I used was right enough for approximately 6 till 8 of these sandwiches. So that's what we are looking for. Take a sharp knife and we're gonna cut this one and see how we did. Really great. I really like it. Of course, I will put a link to the tuna melt burger I made several weeks ago at the end of the video, so you can check it out. Sorry. This is a kind of snack you can do in a short time. You don't have to put this in the fridge if you don't want to. So this one is really fast. The ingredients are really cheap and it's very delicious. So one of these things you might try out. I'm gonna leave you now with the original footage of giving it a shot. Have fun with that. See you. Alright folks, again tasting of the final results from inside. Due to the many flying things in Germany at that time of the year. That's really cool. Normally tuna melt sandwiches are not very common in Germany, so this is kind of my version, bringing these good things to the German people. I made the tuna melt burger. Some weeks ago you might have seen that, kind of an Asian version of a tuna melt burger with fresh tuna. I know this is not very original, but these one here are really cool. I really enjoy making sandwiches on my grill. You might have seen a lot of those brioche things and all the things that can be eaten with your hand. That's what I like when it comes to grilling. So I'm gonna give these a shot right now. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet by clicking on the 0815 barbecue logo at the left side of the screen. We are seeing us again in the upcoming days. We're gonna have a lot of things coming up soon, so stay tuned. It's worth a try. I'm gonna give this a shot and I will tell you some more things about when I'm biting into that. These are really great. These are crispy, these are warm, these are juicy. Oh, I like the combination of the cheese, and it gives kind of a fresh thing with the lemon juice. So give these a shot right now. You're seeing us again. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.